Hey guys, Tim here. I'm going to show you today these Trianium tempered glass screen protectors. So this is specifically for the iPhone XR and the iPhone 11. So it fits both. I'm going to show you here today on an iPhone XR, and I'm going to show you the package here. So this is cool. This comes with one of those kind of templates and it has like a framing for the device. So it makes it pretty foolproof to put this on. You can see that's what that is. You get 3 of these here, so it's nice because it's a 3-pack. So you do have, if you mess up or if you get any cracks or anything, you're able to have a couple other shots. So yeah, I'm going to take this iPhone XR out of the case here so you can see what I'm dealing with. So this is the frame, and it does say right here, this is the top. So it's pretty easy. Got top and bottom. You place it on and it fits snugly around the edge of the device. So in here is everything you need for the application. You're going to have wet alcohol wipes, you're going to have drying wipes, you got stickers like this here to absorb the dust and to guide it on, and then you'll get the instructions, but I'll show you here kind of how to do this. So first we're going to open up the wet wipe, the alcohol wipe here, and you're going to just kind of clean your screen nice and thoroughly here. Get anything off it that's going to impair that relationship between the glass and the tempered glass. And then we're going to dry it off here. Dry it off nice and well, make sure there's nothing left over. Alright, so next I am going to put that frame on around the edges here, and this literally just snaps on. It's a nice good fit on the phone there, so you can see what that looks like and everything. But yeah, that just gives you a perfect guide. So all you have left there on the top now is a screen, so this is going to inlay perfectly into the device here. So this is what your tempered glass protector looks like. There's a little cutout for the front camera and sensors and stuff, but you're basically going to just peel off the film there, and that's your sticky side, and that's what's going to go down onto the actual screen of your phone. So I'm going to place this guide sticker on the glass here. You can really do one on the top and bottom if you want. It just allows you to basically control the glass without actually having to put your fingerprints on the glass and everything. And then real quick, I'm just going to use this big sticker to just press here. This basically makes sure that you get any dust off or any small particles that you can't really see, maybe from the cloth, and that's just going to make sure you don't get any bubbles when you do put this down. Alright, so here we go. I have it partially pulled off. I'm going to line up the top edge there and then just kind of let this go down as I peel off the bottom piece here and everything, get that film off the tempered glass. You can kind of see as it's like healing there. So I had a little bit of a bubble that formed. I was able to press a lot of this out, but there was like a little spot that wasn't going away. So all I did was just pick up that edge of the screen protector again one more time and relayed it back down and kind of pressed it from middle to edge, and it basically disappeared, and I didn't even have to use an extra one. So there you go. Like I said, I just lifted it up part way, and this ended up going back on perfectly. No spots. You can see there is a little bit of a lip around the edge there still, so this is case compatible. So that's nice. I know some people, they see that and they say, oh, it's not covering the entire screen. That's because then you can't put a case on it. So this allows you to still be able to put a case on, take it on and off, and you're not going to disturb this and cause it to start coming off or anything. So I mean, it covers pretty much the full part of the screen, especially if you have the case on. But yeah, this ended up coming out really nice. There's no spots or anything, and it looks perfect. And I'll show you here, throwing that back in the case, like I said, just to give you a visual. It does fit in here perfectly, and it's not interfering with the case. There's a little bit of that gap there you can see around the edges. So I would recommend it, guys. It's perfect fit. This is for the XR and the 11 that I installed here today, but yeah, I would definitely recommend it.